Hi everyone, my name is Malini and I've been a consultant for almost 2 years and I'm based in New York City. Because it's spring, summertime in the city, I walk into work, but usually during the winter I take the subway. Here's a video of my workstation. The New York office has an amazing view of the Empire State Building and most of Manhattan. We also have a view of all of Lower Manhattan and, if you can see, the Statue of Liberty. So my client is an international hotel conglomerate with over 6,000 hotels worldwide, and I've been on this engagement since the start of the year. I'm currently helping them with database management, and I help write queries that provide data and insights that are needed for planning hotel pricing plans as well as activations. I usually start by going over the queries that I worked on the previous day, and then I attend a few meetings and stand-ups where I'm usually asked to do a few more tasks and write some more queries. Now that the workday is over, I just went shopping and I'm gonna go home and probably go to the gym and then maybe get some takeout and hang out with my roommates.
Hello everyone, my name is David Manley and welcome to the Day in the Life of a Data Consultant. I'm located here in Charlotte, North Carolina, which is NTT's hub cities. My current client is a top US bank. My usual commute to get to their client office is either a 20-minute walk or a 10-minute train ride. So the next time I'll be seeing you will be at lunch and I'll give you the morning recap. Hi, welcome back to the Day in the Life of a Consultant. I'm out here at lunch in this gorgeous courtyard in Uptown. To update you on what I did this morning, I met with my team, my client, kind of updated some risks and issues that are going on with my program, making sure we can get those fixed, and also just getting updates from everyone. Also, I have a status update call this afternoon. I did some prep for that, made the slide deck, and made sure everything was updated. And I'll update you when that is done and I'm on my commute home. So, see you then. All right, so I'm on my commute home now. Stopped here in a park to be able to talk to you about my afternoon. It was a very good afternoon, but definitely very busy. I had a few meetings, most importantly in my workstream meeting that I run. I gather information from stakeholders as well as update them on any changes to the project they're currently working on. In addition to this, I also helped out a few of my teammates update slide decks and update data. So it's definitely a very good afternoon. The day isn't over though. I'm gonna go home and get ready for a kickball game. So I'll update you all when I'm there. So as you can see, I'm not kickball. Unfortunately, it got rained out last night, so I'm finishing the video the following morning on my commute in. I hope you all enjoyed a day in the life of a consultant here in Charlotte, North Carolina. I hope to see you at the next video.
Hi everyone, my name is Yilan Ruan and welcome to a day in my life as a data consultant for NTT DATA. So typically I start my mornings at 7 a.m. This is so that I can meet up with my team who are mostly based out of the Eastern time zone. I'll work from my home office here for a couple hours and then I'll usually get a break, usually around lunchtime, and I'll commute to the office, which is just about a 10 to 15 minute commute, so that's pretty short. But I will show you guys the office and setup later there as well. Finally in the office now. Here's my great setup. We have 2 monitors right here that are movable very easily. This is also a stand-up desk. Connects very easily to our laptop through just one cord, which is very great. I'm in a more quiet area of our office for right now, but that is the setup. It is around lunchtime. I just had my lunch, but I'm gonna go ahead and soon get to work for the rest of the day. Okay, my lunch break is going to end now. I'm about to get back to work, hop on some meetings, as well as prepare some materials that I need to deliver. But I wanted to talk about my client engagement for a little bit. I'm currently doing some project management for a client The client is one of the top 5 banks in America. I'm in charge of kind of getting updates on a work stream and then further preparing these materials and aggregating data, making sure things are in progress to further report to the higher ups, which kind of include like stakeholders and other people of that nature. On the internal side, I also am doing this, which is the data analytics videocast here. I also do some other reporting things for our data and analytics pipeline for kind of like the sales and the deals that go on for the company there. Kind of do a lot of reporting on that side as well. Just got back home from the office, took my last call there, and now I'm back home in my home office to finish up the rest of my work for the day. Usually this is the routine. I usually finish up my last call in the office and I'll come back, get some heads down time to work on the things I need to do. A couple emails, some PowerPoint presentation slides, as well as Excel, things like that. I also gather myself a to-do list for the next day so that I'm well organized. But yeah, I'm gonna get to work on that. I'll catch back up with you guys later after I'm all done to kind of show you a little bit of my after work activities. All right, I'm all done with work now. Got myself a to-do list for tomorrow as well so that I can get off on the right track. Now I'm just sitting down on my couch with my dog. Say hi, Kilo. I am just kind of cooling down before I change into some workout clothes so that I can go hit the gym. And then after that, I will usually take my dog out for a walk. Then I'll make dinner and kind of cool off for the rest of the night and then also attend any activities I have for the evening if I do. Then I'll get ready for bed, but that is about all. And thank you all so much for watching.
Hey everyone, my name is Sathian Paudel and I've been with the NTT DATA for about 3 years now, based out of Chicago. I'm a senior data consultant working as a business value analyst. Some of the work I do centers around researching and analyzing client data to bring forth insights that they may not have taken a look at quite yet. So I just got to the office today. I'm going to show you guys around one of our conference rooms where I'll be doing most of my recording today, just so I don't disturb anyone else that's out there. This is our Brown Line conference room. Got a nice view of the city. Yeah, this is where we host most of our larger meetings. So as a business value analyst, today I'll be focusing on a tailored transformation solution for one of our clients. More specifically, I'll be taking a look into some of their financial data so that I can create recommendations on where they can cut costs as well as invest in transformation. Hey everyone, so I'm back in our Brown Line conference room. Just finished up lunch actually, had spaghetti and meatballs. But figured I would take you through my morning and kind of what I did for our clients. So typically throughout a week, we could be focusing on a range of like 2 to 5 clients. And those industries could be anywhere from like insurance to manufacturing to healthcare and anywhere in between really. But this week we're really focused on 2. So by the end of this week, I should have 2 complete decks with recommendations for our client on what our team thinks they should do to improve their organization. And so this morning, I actually looked through some of the financial analytics for one, and this afternoon, I'll be finishing up looking through the financial analytics of the other. All right, so I am now logging off for the day. I'd say it was a pretty productive day. And actually, typically on Thursdays when we come into the office, we have some sort of networking event. But I unfortunately won't be able to make it today because I'm actually in the middle of wedding planning, which is a great alternative in my opinion. But be sure to check in on our next episode of Data to Go, and we'll see you there. Cheers.